What's going on, everyone? This is Gaurav and welcome to my learning channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about what is an AI engineer, what does it do, and what are their career prospects in 2025. Now, unless you have been living under the rock, you probably already know what artificial intelligence is. AI engineers are the enablers for the same. AI engineers enable the organization to start using AI-based system. Let's try to understand this with a simple example. Let's say that you have a retail chain and have a significant online traffic. Lots of customers buy product from you through online channel. While doing so, they might have different questions. In order to answer those questions, they might want to interact with you through your chat channel. To enable this, you have two options. Option number one is that you can hire a bunch of people who are available 24/7 and they're there to answer any of the questions that the people might have. There's a twofold problem with this approach. One, as your business will grow, your cost will also grow because you will have to hire a lot more people. And second problem is that you will have to keep on hiring and rehiring your existing workforce because every time you have a new product, you will have to train your existing workforce. And there is also a possibility that some of the people might leave. So you have new people joining in and you will have to retrain all of those people. And option number two is that you can deploy AI chatbot that can learn while interacting with the customers. It will keep on getting better with the time and will be super duper cheap as compared to your conventional approach of hiring a lot of people. And all of these things will be enabled by your AI engineers. AI engineer will train those set of models. They will also go ahead and deploy it in the production so that your customers can start interacting with you via AI chatbots. Now you might be thinking, well, hold on a second. Isn't this what data scientists also do? Don't they train a whole bunch of different models for different use cases, which is being used by the businesses? So there is a subtle and slight difference. First one is a type of model. While data scientists might stick to the conventional model like GBM, random forest forecasting, etc., AI engineers will venture more into the deep neural network, reinforcement learning, large language model to solve the business problem. Additionally, data scientists will usually develop a model and will move on to the next project. They are not much involved in the deployment of these models in the production system. AI engineers, on the other hand, will not only develop their model, but they will also go ahead and deploy it in the production system. Now, as you can see that there's still a huge overlap being a data scientist and an AI engineer. So if you're a data scientist and if you want to become an AI engineer, you're probably already 60 to 70% there. So it will be a seamless transition for you. Coming to the next point, what are some of the career prospects and how much money can I make being an AI engineer? Given AI itself is evolving very quickly, it's difficult to predict what will happen tomorrow. However, based on the current trend, one thing is for sure that in the next 5 to 10 years, there's going to be a huge demand for AI engineers, especially in the field of banking, in finance, in pharmaceuticals, and in the tech companies. As a starter being an AI engineer, you can easily expect to make about $100,000 to $150,000. And with about 5 to 10 years of experience, your compensation could be about $200,000 to $300,000. So the next big question is this a career worth pursuing? And can I expect to have a safe career for next 30 years if I am starting right now? This is a very difficult thing to predict. Given AI is evolving quickly, it is difficult to say what type of job will exist about 10 to 15 years from now. However, at least for next 5 to 10 years, you are very safe and you will be in huge demand if you have the right skill set. So moving on to the next point, if I want to become an AI engineer, what are some of the key skill sets required? For that, I have made an additional video. Do check that out. I'll put the link in the comment section. And that will be a wrap for this video. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put it in the comment section. Thank you so much and don't forget to like and subscribe.